Showcase your most valuable offers. Showcasing your most valuable offers is the way to attract your ideal buyers who are looking for exactly what you do best. This is why it's important to determine what your master offer is in your business and then build around that other offers that complement it. Your master offer is simply the offer you have at any given moment. That is what your audience needs, but also that you can fulfill at the same time based on your personal circumstances. This master offer will change depending on what you're able to fulfill in your business with your art or any creative endeavor. Click the link below to get the Art Biz Guidebook, which walks you through exactly how to determine what your master offer is. You can also offer custom pieces in your Etsy shop or through your website. By working with customers to create one-of-a-kind pieces, you can build a loyal customer base and increase your revenue at the same time.